Here's the learning target. Without a calculator, evaluate appropriate logarithmic expressions. First, let's define a logarithm, although I know you've probably seen it in your Math 82 class or whatever your algebra class was. But let's look at it again. Students really struggle with it. So suppose b and y are positive numbers with b not equal to 1. The logarithm base b of y, denoted with this notation right here, so this means log base b of y, is defined to be the number x such that b to the x equals y. So b is our base. We're trying to find the number that we raise, the power that we would raise b to get y. And that's all a logarithm is. So log base b of y equals x implies that b raised to that power of x equals y. This is what you want to remember right here. This solves all your troubles with logarithms. This simple definition here. So log base b of y equals x means that this base down here, b, raised to that power x equals y. So b to the x equals y. So let's see it in action here a few times. I'm going to leave this expression up here because this is what, anytime you are dealing with logs, you should have this written down somewhere close to you. So log base 10 of 100. So we need 10 raised to what power equals 100? So 10, so it equals 2 because 10 squared equals 100. Log base 3 of 1 over 81. We know that 3 to the 4th equals 81, but we need 1 over 81, so it's going to be a negative 4. So 3 raised to the negative 4 is going to send it downstairs, so it's going to be 1 over 3 to the 4th, and that's going to equal 81. Again, simply just using this definition right here. We need to find the log base 3 of 1 over 181. We need to find some number x such that 3 raised to x equals 181. Here it is. 3 raised to x equals 1 over 81. So log base 2 of 64. So this is 2 so 2 is my b and 64 is my y. So 2 raised to what power equals 64? It's going to be 6. Log base 8 of 2. Now this one requires a little bit more critical thinking. We know that 8 is the cube root of 8 is 2, so 8 raised to the 1/3 equals 2 because the cube root is the same thing as 8 to the 1/3. Log base 10 of the square root of 1000. So let's see if we can work this out without a calculator. We know 1000 is 10 cubed, and we know that taking the square root is the same as raising something to the 1/2. So this is 10 cubed raised to the 1/2, which leaves me with 10 raised to the 3/2. So now we're looking for some number x such that 10 to the x equals 10 to the 3/2. So surely that has to be 3/2. Please stop the video, rewind, make sure you can get these and they make lots of sense for you. I'm going to do a few more here. Log of 1 divided by the square root of 10,000. So again, 10,000 is 10 cubed, and the square root is the same as raising it to the 1/2, so we send it upstairs. That makes the 1/2 negative. So multiplying the exponents here, we get negative 3/2. So, and I left out the base here because this is we've studied this in class. This is the anytime you see log without a base, that means base 10. So this is log base 10 of 1 over the square root of 1000 equals log base 10 of 10 cubed raised to the negative 1/2 equals log base 10 of 10 to the negative 3/2. And so we need 10 raised to what power equals 10 to the negative 3/2? Surely it's a negative 3/2. Log base 4 of 8. These can be a little tricky. It's when you immediately look at it, it's not obvious really what the solution is. You have to find some connection between 4 and 8, and they both are a power of 2. So log base 4 of 8 is equal to log base 2 squared, so that's still 4 of 2 cubed, so that's 8. And now it's not that bad. We need some number such that I raise 2 squared to and get 2 cubed. So basically I need the number that I multiply 2 by to get 3. And we should know that's 3/2. Again, stop the video and make sure that you understand that and work it out and rewrite it. Write it using this form here. Log base 2 of 8 raised to the 3.1. Again, these are not immediately obvious, but there's a connection between 2 and 8. 8 can be rewritten as 2 cubed. Now 2 cubed raised to the 3.1 is 2 to the 9.1. Now we're in business. So now we're trying to find some number. 2 raised to some power equals 2 to the 9.1. Surely that's 9.1. Log base log base 27 of 81. Again, similar scenario as this one here. So 27, and it's not obvious what this answer is until you realize that 27 and 81 are both powers of 3. So I can rewrite 27 as 3 cubed. I can rewrite 81 as 3 to the 4th. So now I need 3 to the 3rd raised to what power equals 3 to the 4th. So I need the number that I multiply 3 by to get 4. It's going to be 4/3. And that will conclude this video lesson. Thank you.